How you doing?
Good, how you want to save your car?
No. You like it?
It's beautiful.
Thank you. I mean, if the price is right, but nah, it's not up for sale right now, though.
I'm sorry about that.
No. Have a good one. That was unexpected, but I'm telling you, man, everybody loves red, man. I should have said, if the price is right, shoot, you never know. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who now. Back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking it with me today. Hold on. Ugh. Y'all good? All right, bet. If you guys do not recall, if you're new to the channel, either earlier this year or late last year, when I checked my oil catch can here, and I'll go ahead and show y'all, pop that up. I got an oil catch can here from JLT Performance. When I checked it one day, it was a lot of milky residue in it. It looked like milk, like a chocolate milkshake sort of. When I commented, I said, I'm not used to it seeing it that color, because when I used to change my oil catch can, it was just oil, it was black oil, right? So once I said that in the video, a lot of you all started commenting, oh man, you got a blown head gasket. Oh, the head gasket is leaking. Oh, you got water in your oil. Oh, your engine is toast. So me, you know, I started flipping out instantly. So like I always do, I got online and started researching, right? I actually found a guy online talking about this stuff. It's called, what was his name? Let me get it for y'all real quick. Ford Tech Moloko, something like that. I'll put it down in the comments. So he actually made a video about this. Oftentimes people think when they have milky oil, or if you pull your oil cap and see milky residue underneath, that people like the technicians or people at the service shop like, oh man, your engine's toast, you need a new engine, got a leak in the gasket, or the coolant is leaking into the your crankcase, whatever case may be, something like that, right? I'm like, man, you know, because a lot of you guys know a lot more than I do, right? I'm not the smartest person in the world. I don't pretend to be the smartest person in the world, but some of you out there pretend to be the smartest people in the world. You're not the smartest people in the world. So that's why I always say, do your research. If you ever reach out to me, I always say, do research. Anyway, he showed a test of what a car with a leak in the crankcase or something like that, or the coolant was leaking to the crankcase, in one where it was what I'm experiencing. I'll tell y'all that. So he basically checked a few things. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what he checked. One, he said, check your coolant level. As you can see, my coolant level is basically to the max. So what that tells you is there's no coolant leaking into my crankcase. Another thing he said, what a lot of people do when they get there, they'll pull their oil cap, if I can reach it, they'll pull their oil cap, and they'll see all that white milky stuff down in the oil cap. As you can see, I have none, but it's normal if you have some, and I'm gonna tell you when that's normal. Another thing, you can check your dipstick. Check your dipstick to see if it has any milky residue on there. I'm not an expert. I'm gonna post a video down. I'm just summarizing. So I came out, did AutoZone tests, and didn't experience any of those issues but one. I had a little milky residue underneath my oil cap. Also, my oil in my JLT catch cans was milky. So what I did, I'm like, okay, man, what's going on? So in the video, what he said, and this, listen, he said this is very common in cold weather months and if you drive short trips daily. Once he said that, boom, I instantly knew why my oil catch can oil was milky, right? It was cold during the time that video was filmed. It was earlier this year. It was cold, and at that time for work, I drive maybe 5-7 minutes to work, guys. He said if you take short trips, no more than 15 minutes daily, you don't get a chance for that condensation to burn off. So it just vapes up to your oil cap and gets all cookie in there. He said you need to drive at least 30 to 45 minutes to let that condensation burn off. If it doesn't, that's when you get that milky stuff, right? So that's what it was, guys. It was cold, condensation, and I take short trips to work. Now, some of y'all watching the videos probably didn't know how I use my truck. You probably just tuned in and saw that video. But I take a lot of short trips, so that condensation was not burning off, and it was cold. Now, today's like 85 degrees. It's warm outside. I've been driving my truck a lot more. Show y'all what's in my oil catch can now. So let me take this off really quick. All right, guys, so I got my oil catch can off. I'm gonna show y'all what's in here now. Look at that. Whoops. Oh, it didn't come out. Black oil. Not sure if y'all can see. Trust me. Black oil. Oh, crap. Sorry. Yep, there y'all can see. Black oil, man. So there's no more milky oil in this as opposed to when it was the first time. And that's all it was, just condensation. So I do not have a blown crankcase. My engine is not totaled and done, guys. So I appreciate you all commenting in there. You know, I'm not sure if it was just negativity or trying to be positive and just help me out. But like I said, do your own research. There's nothing wrong with my crankcase, my engine. It is fine. Fingers crossed it's fine. because the oil now, as you can see, is black. It is fine. And also, another note, if you're wondering if the JLT catch cans or catch cans are worth it, you can see how much oil is in this thing. Probably about, I need to empty it pretty soon. I would empty it now, but I don't have anything to empty it in. But yeah, it works. I didn't clickbait this video because people were commenting, you have a blown crankcase, your engine is done, you need to go, you have a blown head gasket. Well, I mean, I was saying crankcase the whole time, it was head gaskets. One of the two, crankcase, head gasket. So I didn't clickbait the video because everybody kept saying you got a blown head gasket, that crankcase, and your engine's done. I'm just here to prove y'all that it's not blown. And thank God it's not, because y'all had me worried, man. Y'all had your boy Q scared, bro. I'm like, damn, I had to get a whole new engine. You know, I'm like, is it the tune? What was it? So anyway, like I said, guys, just do your own research, educate yourselves. A lot of you guys on the internet do like to act like know-it-alls. You don't know everything. You know, no shots at anybody, but just don't jump to assumptions, all right? But that's all I got. Catch y'all next, baby. Peace.